Well, most designers will want to provide their clients with some images of species used in the design. And if you've been following along in this series, you'll notice that we created a layout for just that purpose, and we lifted the path to an image from our accompanying plant database program. And if we go to layouts, if we go to format and images, there's a list of images that we're using on this page. But there is another way, and a very easy way, to provide your clients with images such as this and additional information. And that is, if we go back to the model, we are able to generate plant schedules, and I'll just update it for the moment. This is the standard plant schedule, so we'll just update it, and that'll give us a nice up-to-date list of all those species and their names and the code that have been used in the design. But it's possible to export that particular schedule, and we'll do that now. We'll extract the plant schedule, and it picks up all of that information and puts it in a CSV or Excel type file, and I'll overwrite the one that I've been using, which is called test. And the other thing to note is this is a landscape practice called AW Landscaping, and they have their own plant database file, awplantdatabase.spp, and here it is, and we've just written out, copied out, sent out a CSV file containing that plant schedule information. What we can do, and this particular consultancy builds on this plant list, they make sure that spelling errors are resolved and that every plant is named correctly, and information down in the comments area they know is accurate and up to date. What we can do is go File and import that comma separated file, and we had it on the desktop, and we can say it's test CSV, and we'll open it up. So what it does, it brings that file in and looks right through the whole database for a code on the symbol that matches the same code in this plant database application. So it says to us, do we want to clear tags? And we do. So it's now reading the information, and it says that plant database file's got 17 entries. It's warning you that I can get 14 of them tagged, but I'm missing 3, so basically you better go back and check on those. But to demonstrate what's possible, what we've moved automatically to record number 8 of 218. We can go to the next tag. So we're looking here at photographs of species that are used in the design. We then have an option to say print, and we can print all tagged entries. We don't want the image name and URL, and I'm going to change to a PDF printer. I'll go to Properties and Advanced, and I'll go to, I've found that A4 small is a good paper size, but I like high quality because I want to see some really nice images, and we'll say OK and OK again. So we're printing to a PDF writer or printer, and we're going to on an A4 or close to an A4 size sheet, and we want to print all of those records, and we'll say OK. So that's all happening behind the scenes. It's actually printing a PDF file called plant record, and we'll save it and overwrite the one that's there. And I'm hoping now this particular PDF writer will fire up its viewer, and we'll be able to look at the resultant PDF file. And this is what we want to give to the client. It'll be a complete list of let's go Control 0, and we can just scroll down. Each record or each plant, maybe we want to increase the magnification just a little, and we'll page down. We've got the common name, the botanical name, and comments, that comments bit at the bottom. Yeah, I'll see if I can get a single page at a time. Page down, and there's the bottle brush and the casuarina. So we've got all of the images are there and the information about the species. And this is one of my favorite species, and this is used in this particular design. So you can send that PDF file to the client. So as you saw, it's not a difficult job to do. It encourages you to build your own plant database file. It's your intellectual property. That's where it lives. You're employed for your skills at being able to design and give plant information, choosing the most appropriate plants for the site so that they'll grow nicely, so your client's getting good value for your plans. I notice down here that there are some characters in the description which has been taken from Wikipedia here, that the dash 0.3 to 0.7, the dash didn't come out properly and needs some attention in the plant database file. But can you see you're giving to your client information which is valuable, and it doesn't take you very long at all to generate it.